Hi guys, my name is Piotr and today I will show you how to use black and white lists of web pages in web browsers. I will use Android device with Chrome and I will use iOS device with Safari. So I will show you both way how to do it. So let's start with Android. You have to go to apps. You have to find Chrome. Here it is. It's already added in my solution, in my server, so just go here. Let's go to configuration. I will just change the standard configuration. And the first thing I would recommend you to add will be the home page. This will be useful for the end users. In this scenario, I use our domain, our web page. And then you need to find, here it is, block access to a list of URLs and allow access to a list of URLs. So you first put the star here, so all web pages will be locked. Only the URL on the whitelist will be approved. In my case, it's the whole domain Proget software, so if the end user will go to any web page in that domain, he will be allowed to use that. So that configuration I have prepared, it's already in that application exactly, and now I will just create a group. So let's go with something like that. I don't need policy, I don't need profiles, I just need application. Here it is, and as required, and let's go with the next. Submit. Of course, if we are using Android Enterprise configuration, that means that we can use it only on work managed device, or so device owner policy, and of course in work profile. So I will go to my users and I will assign this group to Abigail. There is some sample device, so let's just assign the group. Here it is. Submit, and the application will be deployed on that device. Let's say it. We have the application. Accept. No thanks. We are still waiting for configuration, so you can see that before the configuration arrived, I already could try, but it's not working. So the configuration appeared. So let's turn off the application and let's start one more time. No thanks. And as you see, the first lock policy was turned on, and now only one web page is available. So here we are on our basic web page. So if I go, for example, anywhere, for example here, I still can be in that section, in that domain. But now if I will try to go, for example, to Facebook, it will be blocked. If I will go to, I don't know, Wikipedia, this will be blocked as well. So of course, if I choose to close all the tabs, the application will be closed. And if I go to Chrome one more time, you will have our configured home screen, and of course you will be able to use only our web page. So this is very easy, very simple to configure, and it's very easy to use by the end user. Now let's switch to iOS device. So I will use iPad. In that case, I will just set up the camera correctly to just give you opportunity to see everything, what is important. We will just reverse that. Okay, let me just quickly adjust the screen. So let's go here. It's in Polish, but it's still don't it won't be an issue in our presentation. Okay, now I will go to iPad. So before I go, here I have already our application. Let's close that one and that one. Okay, so we are at Google. We can go anywhere we want. So for example, let's go to YouTube. We can go there, we can browse it, and everything works as normal Safari web browser. But now let's do filtering. Let's create the exceptions. In this case, on iOS device, we don't use application configuration because we can use just simple iOS policy. So let's just create a new one. Add policy. Web filter. Compatibility iOS. Let's go with that. I will just keep the standard configuration because I don't need any significant changes. I just need go here to web content filter, and I need to change from limit adult content to specific websites only, and here we will add our web page. Okay, let's create a bookmark as well, and title. Yeah, and we will create only one web page for that. So let's just submit that, and I will create the group as well. So iOS web filter. Next, we need to add policy. This is our policy we create. Next, we don't need profiles, we don't need applications. Submit. Cool. So now we will go to our second user we want to check, and let's just add this user to group. Of course, if I will operate on many of the users in the same time, I will do it differently, but I can do it just for the presentation purpose like that. Okay, it's updated. Important thing that I didn't mention before is that this device have to be turned on and enrolled as a supervised device. So you will have the information that this device is supervised by your company. This is the necessary thing to use web filtering in Safari. And now I will go to it. As you see, there's already access denied communication. I cannot go to the YouTube. And if I go open the new web page, you see that there is a Proget web page already here. And I can go there and browse only that web page. So it's very simple, very easy to use. And if the end user will try to go, for example, I don't know, to Facebook, and try to access, he will still see the message that application cannot display that web page. So as you see, very simple, very easy to use. The implementation is very quickly, and of course you can use it with any other features, any other application, any other thing you want to deliver through our groups. Thank you for today, for this short movie. The new version 2.4 will arrive soon to our solution, and I guess after my vacation I will prepare also the movie, maybe live stream. We'll see what will be changed in 2.4. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and goodbye.